Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off after the day where you get a week of outfits, you get a lot of puppies, PA weather, and some life. I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I am Laura if you're new. I do have a puppy pile. They're not here right at the moment. We're going to start off quiet and calm. But the white dog is Loki. The Jack Russell is Willie. He's my son's dog. The beagle is my husband's. He's a blue tick beagle. And yeah, my dad's dog went home Friday night, so at least we're back down to 3. And you might see Harvey, he's our kitty, but he wants no parts of the puppies right now. I shouldn't say no parts, very little. I'll say very little. All right, so it is a nice morning, 77 degrees right now. It's getting up to 84. And I have a busy week coming up. I am traveling this week and trying to organize myself. I do have a video I want to do for you all, so I'm going to get started on all of that. For my outfit today, nice and easy for Sunday morning, I have on cut from the cloth denim from a Trendsend. I have on a chaser tank, also from a Trendsend long time ago. And for my shoes, I don't have any on at the moment. I think that I will probably, and I'll go grab them for the try on, but I'll probably wear my Reef flip-flops that I just got in a stitch fix, so you'll see those coming up. I don't have any jewelry on today. I'm just getting right into it. All right, so I hope your week starts off awesome, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. The whole gang is actually outside, including Harvey, who's not happy that all the dogs are out here too. It is 78 degrees out, getting up to 82. It's beautiful out. And let's see, today my Loft haul, that's what it was. My Loft haul posted today. I hope you guys checked that out. And I thought it was really good. So all the fall feels are coming out now, right? It's August, so we're already talking about transitional clothes, even though it is going to be 82 today. And for my outfit, I am wearing Dear John shorts from a Wantable. I have on a laundry top from Anthropologie. I love this one. And my shoes are Dolce Vita. These are a nice little flats. And for my necklace, the same one I've been wearing, my Louis necklace and my bracelet stack is my jewelry today. And that's a wrap. Hopefully I will have time to see you very first thing tomorrow morning because I got to get up and out by 5 a.m. So I'll be up early. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day, just before 5 a.m. I'm running slightly behind, as you can imagine, puppers. Let's see, but for my outfit today, I have on a Michael Stars skirt, a Michael Stars tank. This one's a fun one with the ruching on the side. Paired with this amazing jacket you've seen before from Ever Eve. I love the short sleeves and the fun little details on this, so cute little moto style. And then gold shoes. These are by Dolce Vita, of course. Little heel. For jewelry, I have on, I just put my Louis necklace back on. I could not think today, I'm telling you. My bracelet stack, and I've just been leaving in my earrings, my hoops. I was just chasing the dogs through the house. All right, I'm off. I hope you're doing amazing. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. I had to think about it. Today is Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. It is a little cooler here today at 64 right now, getting up to 76. I think yesterday stayed in the 70s here as well. At home, it was still in the 80s. So, but getting up to 78, that's still a nice temperature, but the rain's going to come today. And for my outfit, I selected a Rails dress. This is the Adrena dress I got in a front tour fashion last year. I didn't get a chance to wear it, so I'm really happy I got to wear it this year. I think I ran out of time last year. So this is such a beautiful dress. It does have a deep V for, for work. So I put on one of my amazing Ebby bralettes. So this is perfect, completely fills in that gap. It is a deep V in the front and it has a deep V in the back. So it'll be perfect for a vacation or date night as well. So I'm gonna have to remember that. put on a blazer by Ichi. This one I got in a Wantable. And then my shoes are Louis, and they have a nice little chunky heel. And then the same jewelry I had on yesterday. And that is it. My bracelet stack. And yeah, and my Louis necklace. All right, well, I gotta get to it. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. 61 degrees, going up to 73 today, so a little cooler. What's up with that? I think because it's been rainy the last few days. And for my outfit today, I'm a bit more casual. I have on a White House Black Market pair of pants. I have on a tank top from the Loft. The cardigan is also from the Loft. You may remember from one of my last hauls. For shoes, I did gold. These are, of course, Dolce Vita. I did a gold belt, and my jewelry is the same. And we've made it. We've made it to the last day of my travel for this week. All right. Well, tomorrow's Friday. I will see you then. Hey, everybody. It is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. Willie's in the sunshine here and wants some love. Don't you, Will? Huh. Huh. Will's the neediest of them all, believe it or not. Then there's Dexter. Huh. Who needs to figure out how to get up on the on the couch. He's so funny. He's so tall. Oh, there you go. You want to say hi too? It is a beautiful day, as you can see outside. It's warm. It is 78 degrees, getting up to a high of 82. And let's see. I forgot to tell you what I got from my Stitch Fix. What I kept from my Stitch Fix. So, what do you think there, huh? What do you think there, mister? I'm going to have to remember to tell you guys all tomorrow what I kept from that particular box. I did end up keeping 5. I did not keep the dress. I don't know. The swirlies right on the chest, I just knew I probably wouldn't grab for it. But I did find one, another version, the exact same dress, but different pattern at Nordstrom. So I grabbed that. All right, I'll try to make sure that I follow up with you guys tomorrow and let you know what I kept from that. And for today's outfit, I'm fairly casual. I have on a JB Stylebox outfit. I have on the Sage Pistola denim shorts, and then this cute little tank top. For shoes, I did simplistic, minimalist, right? These are cute little Dolce Vita. I think did I get these last year? I'm thinking I got these last year. And there's a bee. For jewelry, I have on a bright necklace and a bracelet that I put on. Little rhinestones here in it. And I think that's it for today. It's been quite the week and end of day, so I feel very dislubrated today. Hopefully I can get myself together for tomorrow and we'll close it out. See you then. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is a beautiful morning, 72 getting up to 84. It's just going to be gorgeous. I didn't get a chance to collect a Friday funny for you, so I missed out on that, but we'll try to get better. And let's see, my Stitch Fix. My Stitch Fix had posted on Wednesday, and it was a really, really good one. I kept from that one the little Sage tee. I kept the Daze denim. I kept just the basic white tank from Bella Dolls, just such a cute little v-neck. My stylist knows me. I kept the other graphic for West Coast. Love the blue in that. And then I also kept the little Z Supply coastal tank, which you'll have to go on vacation with me here. And then I kept the shoes. The dress, and I forgot to bring down the one I kept. The dress I didn't keep just because the placement was, I thought about it way too much, and then I decided if I'm thinking about it that much, then it's probably going to bother me. And then I'll be thinking about where I wear it, and is everybody looking there, right? So I decided not to get it, but I found a different pattern on Nordstrom, and I purchased that one. So you'll see that in an upcoming video. My Trendsend posted today. I love Trendsend, and my stylist just rocks. She is amazing. So I did not keep everything this time, but I did keep too much. I really loved it. Let's see, I kept the leopard tenny. How cute are these? So cute. I decided I had this, and I had a pair from a JB Stylebox at the same time, and I decided to keep these instead. But I'm still thinking about that pair that my stylist Carol sent me. Of course, I kept the LNAT. These are just amazing. This is the, I think it's the Harrison. Yeah, the Harrison tee. I love those. I did keep this little slub tee from Rag & Bone. I love the pattern. Of course, I kept the shorts. I can't wait to wear those. I love that if it's still warm here as we get into September, I can start to pull some of the fall colors without wearing the fall full-on clothes. Loved the 7 for All Mankind jeans. Loved the scarf. Liked the cute little sweater top. That was adorable with the opening in the back. The little cami. I love that with the jeans. That looks so pretty, but it would go with the shorts as well. And then last but not least, I kept the reworked vest. All right. She's done so amazing. So amazing. I love it all. All right. What didn't I keep from this, just in case you guys want to know? I did not keep the Bank Royland bag. I did not keep that jacket. So I thought the jacket was a little just oversized on me to the point where I just didn't think it looked great. So, but you guys liked it. And I did too. It just felt too swingy and too poofy for me. So I did not keep that one. I also did not keep the game day sweatshirt. And I didn't keep the Pistola. So the Pistola green pant. I thought the fit on that was a little bit weird, and it might have been like the placement of where the hem ended. I'm not sure, but I didn't keep those as well. All right, we're ready to talk about today's outfit. It is, I'm headed out to breakfast with my friend. It is a pool day, but I'm loving my summer dresses. I want to make sure I get them in before September, so there's really, truly summer colors. So I picked this one from Z Supply. Came in a JB Stylebox. I love it. I requested it. Paired it with these NYDJ sandals, a little bit of gold in them, and then put on this little necklace from Gorjana, my bracelet stack, and I'm off. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap on Outfit of the Day this week. I can't wait to hear what your favorites were. As always, I will put links to items I can link down below. I'll let you know which ones come from boxes and put all the links for the boxes as well in case you'd like to give them a try. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was too much fun. Please hit like and subscribe. It's the only thing that keeps me going. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.